And lastly, the Rajasthan High Court has rejected a plea moved by various students pursuing diploma in general nursing and midwifery course who had interned during the COVID-19 pandemic period and had thus sought bonus marks as provided to COVID health assistants for appointment to post of nursing officer. Justice Arun Monga opined that internship being an integral part of the academic curriculum without which the diploma could not be granted could not be termed as an employment but rather a continuation of the studenthood. Hence, on this ground, the petitioners were not entitled to seek benefits of bonus marks claiming to be under employment. On a pointed query to the counsel for the petitioners as to whether the diploma can be awarded without completion of the internship, the answer is in negative. Being so, it thus emerges that internship is an integral part of the academic curriculum for the diploma in question, and the same cannot therefore be termed as an employment but rather a continuation of studenthood. The court further noted that a coordinate bench of the court in Pramila and others versus State of Rajasthan and others, which pertained to a similar controversy, had already put the same to rest by dismissing the claim of similarly situated counterparts of the petitioners. The services of the petitioners who were pursuing general nursery and midwifery course were used during COVID-19 due to a shortage of medical staff. At that time, the state also recruited health assistants for conducting surveys and distributing medicines. When the advertisement for the post of nursing officers was issued, a writ petition was filed in the court that resulted in directions to the state to issue bonus marks to health assistants who provided service during pandemic, which was granted by the state. So such bonus marks were also sought by the petitioners here, which was not considered, resulting in the petition filed before the High Court. It was argued on behalf of the state that the post of the health assistants, for which the petitioners were claiming parity based on the nature of work and duties, required qualification of GNM and registration with the Rajasthan Nursing Council. However, at the relevant time, the petitioners were still undergoing the GNM course and did not possess the required professional qualification. According to the office order dated 25th April 2023, which outlines the eligibility criteria for granting bonus marks, the petitioners do not meet the requirements to claim the bonus marks. The petitioners were neither engaged on a contract basis nor on a temporary basis and therefore do not fall under the definition of karmic who are entitled to receive the bonus marks. Accordingly, their petition was dismissed.